RentalBux is HMRC-recognised Making Tax Digital software built for landlords and property investors. But it doesn't stop there. Whether you're an individual landlord, a sole trader, a partnership or LLP, or running a limited company, RentalBux has a way of working that fits you. Manage your properties, keep your accounts up to date, and file your quarterly MTD updates and final declaration, all in one place. Only need the accounting side? RentalBux works for that too. Already keeping records in Excel? Keep working your way, upload your data, and RentalBux handles compliant quarterly filing. Property management, tenancy management, joint ownership splits, invoicing, billing and letting agent statements, bank feeds, bank rules and reconciliation, direct HMRC submissions, receipt scanning, reports and dashboards. One platform, multiple ways to work. Get started free, no card required.